Hi everyone, this is a drift detection console in applied runtime context for state and lifecycle management. If you would like to know what's inside any of your digital runtime and what's changed and what's happening, there is your answers. The runtime model has deployed already and the system is synchronized right now. For the next steps, I will use Ignition Designer and reassign the parent of asset 4 from UPS to prod relay. As you can see, system is drifted from expected CRC to current CRC. As you can see at the bottom, there is topology drift and parent-child relation is showing 9 valid and 1 drifted. Let's try something different. This time, let's put an orphan. The CRC, current CRC is changed, but it's still drifting. You can check the orphan asset. It's saying 9 valid, 1 drifted. Now let's put that back. As you can see, system is in synchronized right now. The current and expected CRCs are equal, so drift detection is done.